ants have a whole bunch of different ways of telling each other where the food is, so it depends on the type of ant. So ants like little Argentine ants, those little brown ones, they use what we call a pheromone. And a pheromone is a chemical that, it's basically like a trail. It's like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs behind you, but in smells. And other ants will follow that trail of scent breadcrumbs towards the food. So if you ever see ants walking in a line, that's what they're doing. They're following this invisible smell trail to their food. But things like the sugar ants don't use pheromone trails. What they do is when an ant comes back from finding a really good food source, she'll grab another ant and physically lead that ant to the other food. So you'll see them walking in pairs. And this ant, as she's going, is learning about where the food location is. So some of them can communicate food sources that way. Others will find a food and they can make sort of noises, or they have a certain movement they make that can attract others. So there's, depending on the species of ant, there's heaps of different ways they communicate. And in fact, we actually don't know how most of them are doing it. So there's only a few species where we really have a good sense of how they're able to communicate. The others, we don't know. So it's really cool.